Hello Cham, this is Meghavarshini Saravanan making you the video, and in this session we are going to see about the seasonal management of the honeybees. While moving to the seasonal management of the honeybees, we would come across two terms nearly, the dark season and the bee flow season. The simple concept is that the bee flow season would have an increased production of the honey due to the availability of the bee forages. That is, there will be the luxuriant availability of the bee forages. That is the food of the honeybee. They feed on the nectar and the pollen. And dark season is that it is a dry period. That is, dry period is, it is not the dry one. They do not get the bee forage, so that automatically the honey production gets decreased. That's it. So we should have a primary thought or a basic knowledge that even when there is an high or the low availability of the colony members, there will be some distractions in their colony, distractions in the movement, mobileness in the colony. If there is too much of population in the hive, this leads to the swarming. And if there is a reduced population in the hive due to the reduced availability of bee forages or the wax moth attack or any other climatic impact on the colony, there will be the absconding. So that we should know the difference between the swarming and the absconding. Swarming is due to the rise in the population, so that the female, that is the queen bee, directs a part of the colony to the other area. Okay, and in the absconding, the colony moves from their original site because the environmental conditions, the moth attack and high temperature do not make or allow them to survive in the situation. Okay, so let's study about them in detail. So this is the bee flow season. In this bee flow season, there will be an increased honey production. Of course, it requires supering. Supering is nothing but the addition of super frame, the super chamber, or else the addition of super chamber itself. It is to be mentioned that only one super chamber could be arranged for the already existing super chamber. This is the already existing super chamber. This is the top is the super chamber, bottom is the brood chamber. So only one super chamber could added and not more than one. So at this occasion, what shall we do is that we shall use the colony division technique. That is the newspaper method, and I think that this picture clearly portrays the newspaper method. That is, the newspaper is placed between the brood chamber and the super chamber, so that the a temporary division is exhibited or made between the brood chamber and the super chamber, and this super chamber is taken to a new brood chamber, and there a new queen is introduced, and this queen is introduced with the help of queen introductory cage. Why we use the queen introductory cage is that this is to protect the queen bee from the stinging of other drone and the worker. And while moving to the seasonal adaptations or seasonal management which is to be taken for beehive and bees, is that during the summer season we experience with lot of hotness. We could tolerate the hotness but not the honeybees. So it requires some steps which is to be taken to conserve the bee population in the locality. First one is the shade. Shade can be given naturally or the artificially. Should this shade helps to maintain the colony in the region. And gunny bag cover. Gunny bag cover, it is used to cover the entire hive, and it is sprayed with water, as gunny bag is made up of jute which would have the ability to retain the water, and this the colony is maintained chill always. And splinters is nothing but the seeds which is placed between the brood chamber and the super chamber. And for food supplement, we also give sugar syrup, and this sugar syrup is at a ratio of 1:1, which is placed in the dummy frames or movable frames. And while moving to the winter season is the apt season for the propagation or for the multiplication or for the spreading of the diseases. So even honeybees experience with diseases. So such diseased frames or such diseased queen should be confined. So for in case of a queen, we can use some queen cages, but in case of the frames in the brood chamber, we shall use the dummy moving frames. Okay, And while moving to the dark season, there is a lesser availability of bee pastures, and hence the honey production is also reduced. Here requires the merging of two colonies. This also achieved by the newspaper method, in which the brood chamber, that is the old brood chamber, is merged with the new super chamber, and a new queen is introduced, and this queen is applied with the honey on its surface. Okay. And in this rainy season, we might come across that the ant, we couldn't find any ant in our floor, because those ant also belong to the Hymenopteron insect, that is, which is something, but bees also belong to Hymenoptera order. They would have a unity that they store all their food for their rainy season. So similar properties also exhibited by the honeybees, that in other seasons they just store and save the honey for their usage in the rainy season, but we just rob the honey from them. This is the truth. This honey is fed by the honeybee at the time of rainy season, in which they couldn't go for the collection of bee pastures. Okay, this is the end of this session, and I have to mention you that instead of sugar syrup for the food supplement, we should also place other juicy or other sugary items like cane sugar and fruit juices. Mainly they use chiku, which is something but sapota, manilkara zapota, as their juice, and this is the extra tip that I have to mention here. And thank you one and all, thank you for watching this video. I hope that by this video you could gain some knowledge. Thank you.